mga champion. Ulit. Good morning mga champion. Good morning. Ayan, bago tayo magsimula, magpapakilala muna ako. Ako nga pala si Kuya Miko. Ano ang pangalan ko? Kuya Miko. Ayan, very good. Kuya Miko. Okay, ang makakasama na dito sa Milo Champ Camp. Okay, para simulan na mas energetic at masaya ang ating umaga, sabay-sabay tayo sisigaw ng Milo Cheer. Okay, paano ba ang Milo Cheer? Tuturo ko sa inyo, okay? Pag sinabi kong everyday, ang sasabihin nyo, Milo na may dalawang palakpak. Kagaya nito ha, everyday, yan, everyday, Milo. Okay, everyday, Milo. Kayo nga, 1, 2, 3, go. Everyday, isa pa, everyday, ayan, very good. Gawin natin na mas may energy ha, okay? When I say everyday, you say Milo. Everyday, isa pa, everyday, everyday. Ayan, very good. Tandaan mga champion, uminom ng Milo everyday dahil ito ang magbibigay sa atin ng nutritious energy para tayo maging active sa school at sa sports. Okay? So mga champion, sino dito gusto matutong mag-basketball? Ayan, mag-basketball at maging kasing galing si Kuya Kiefer Ravena sa pag-shoot ng bola. Meron ba dito gusto matutong mag-volleyball? Volleyball, kayo girls, volleyball. Ayan, at maging kasing galing ni Ate Alyssa Valdez sa pag-spike. Meron ba dito gusto matutong mag-taekwondo? Ayan, taekwondo. At maging kasing galing ni Kuya Japoy Lizardo sa pagsipa. Okay? So mga champion, para maging kagaya ng ating mga champion athletes, dapat tayo ay marunong rumispeto, malakas, magaling makisama, pursigido, at higit sa lahat, dapat tayo ay disiplinado mga champion. At lahat ng yan ay matututunan natin kapag tayo ay active sa school at sa sports. Okay mga champion, bago tayo magsimula sa ating sports activity, magwa-warm up muna tayo, okay? Sasayaw tayo lahat na tinatawag namin na Milo Champ Camp. Huwag kayong mag-alala, madali lang ito mga champion, sasabayan nyo lang sila ate, kuya, tsaka ako, okay? Lahat tayo sasayaw para makapag-warm up ang ating katawan, okay? Kitchi, pag-music.
Go Milo champion, go be a champ. Go Milo champion, go be a champ. Everybody in the school, we are all good. Little kids, we are champs. Getting in the groove, all our dreams, all our hopes, we all let it out. Growing up, building champions, we'll shine. We're growing up with the winning energy. Winning each day. Every day we find love. Got what we need to get that day. We're growing up with the winning energy. Winning each day. Milo, we are champions. Go Milo champion, go be a champ. Go Milo champion, go be a champ. When I wake up in the morning, I feel like healthy food, good nutrition in my big cup. I need all the energy to last the day. So I keep on going, that's the champion way. We're growing up with the winning energy. Winning each day. Every day we find love. Got what we need to last the day. We're growing up with the winning energy. Winning each day. With Milo, we are champions. Champion, go be a champ. Go Milo champion, go be a champ. Shots they all go into the basket. My kicks are always on target. I may fall, but I'll make it to the finish line. I always get up every single time. We're champion, go be a champ. champion, go go be a champ. Go go Milo champion, go go be a champ.
Okay, very good mga champion. Napagod ba kayo doon?